Welcome. You can see in sample vegetables field, each plot contains rows. Farmer plants and grows vegetables in rows of each plot. Plot A contains 3 rows. Plot B contains 2 rows. Plot C contains 3 rows. And plot D contains only 1 row. In plot A, farmer plants tomatoes in 3 rows. After harvesting tomatoes, farmer gets 210 kg from row 1 and 190 kg from row 2 and 205 kg from row 3. To calculate total weight of tomatoes from plot A, I use sum function. So activate cell G8. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Select the sum function from search box. Click Go. Select the sum function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box open. Select the cell reference range in number 1 box. Click OK. You have total weight of tomatoes from plot A. Similarly, farmer grows potatoes in plot B. In plot C, farmer grows carrots. In plot D, farmer grows cabbage. To calculate total weightages of others vegetables, move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. When you double click, Excel automatically pastes the formula in other cells. So double click, you have weightages of other vegetables. Now, if farmer sells tomatoes in market at the rate of $2.25 per kilogram, so what will be the total income from tomatoes vegetable in plot A? To obtain total income or cost of sales, you need to multiply these two quantities. In this way, you will get total cost of sale. So activate cell I8, press equal sign, click cell reference G8, enter multiplication operator, click cell reference H8, press enter. You have total income or cost of sale $1,361.25 from tomatoes vegetable. To get cost of sales from others vegetable, paste the formulas in other cells. Double click. Excel automatically changes the cell reference of these cells in formula. So activate cell. In formula bar you can see G10 is the cell reference of this cell and H10 is the cell reference of this cell. So Excel automatically pastes the formulas in other cells and change the cell reference of cells in a formula.